this your problem. I'm in my 07 and a half, 2008, whatever you want to call it, Silverado, and I'm having problems with my seatbelt, like constantly locking up. Like, here we go. Oh, now you want to, here we go. Look, I'm just barely tugging it. Even when I go fast, look at that. Now, cooperating. I don't know what the hell this thing is doing, but you know, I had no idea how to fix it. The only thing I found out through my research is that you gotta take it apart, take the thingy out down there, and then send it off to someone to fix it. And I don't really want to do that, so yeah, what do I do?